So the game is my little shark here is gonna be changing its size and color after some seconds.
What is like
So watch.
That's the thing.
What did you say?
Why is it literally the same thing as the sound?
Yeah, because it's gonna be fun. It has to be fun. All right, so
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
This is X, this line, a straight line.
Yeah.
This horizontal. Do you know horizontal and vertical?
No, I don't think I know
Okay, so any line like this is an horizontal line. Straight like this,
it. Yeah.
moving like this, horizontal. Straight like this. But when it is coming like this, it is now a vertical line. Can
No.
you see that?
Yeah, because it's going a different way, so
Yeah, the direction is different.
yeah.
So this one is a vertical line, while this other one is an horizontal line. I'm really getting your screen messed up right now.
Yeah.
All right, they're all gone. So drawing this.
So what you'll be doing is that you'll be adding life with whereby the user has too much. Or is there not too much?
10 is a bit much. Way
So,
lesser.
okay.
So the number should be 2. Then lesser again.
Yeah.
1.
One will be way lesser.
Oh, I should add 2 to 5.
Way
7.
lesser. You're close, so it should be 9.
9.
Yes.
Wow.
I got it.
So let's see the next assignment.
Okay, so the other assignment that you also told me is the one that has. I remember that you also told me the one that has 3 sides all the way to 10.
Yes.
Wait, so for 5 sides, I think. And for 5 sides, a pentagon.
I like that smile you gave your mom. Or who brought something to you now?
Yeah.
So you always give me that smile in class. It was genuine. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so 5 sides.
A pentagon.
Great. 6 sides.
A hexagon.
Perfect. 7 sides.
Heptagon.
Great. 8 sides.
Octagon.
Great. 9 sides.
Nonagon.
Great. And 10 sides. Very
Decanagon, I think.
No. Check your book if you have written it down.
Decagon.
Yes, decagon. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. So you have submitted 2 assignments.